Hey everybody, child tax credits, well they're coming. Well, when will they start? And just how will they arrive? Another question, can I change from check to direct deposit? What do you need to know? Well, it's all coming up next. I've been getting a lot of questions on this one, on child tax credits. And I'm going to be answering from both an individual, and that would be like you, the people who receive these payments, and the bank or credit union's perspective on some of the questions that tend to keep coming up over and over again. As you may know already, the U.S. Department of Treasury and the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, they have announced that the first monthly payments of advanced child tax credits, or we're going to refer to them as CTCs, from the American Rescue Plan will begin on July 15th of 2021. And they will continue monthly on the 15th of each month all the way through December of 2021. Now, how much will you get and who is actually going to be eligible to receive these payments? There are a lot of websites and tools out there to answer that particular question. I'm not going to address eligibility, but eligible families will receive a payment of up to $300 per month for each child under age 6 and up to $250 per month for each child between 6 and 17. And it is expected that around 39 million households, which covers approximately 88% of the children in the United States, they're going to start receiving these monthly payments. Some of these payments will be by check, and some will be by what we call ACH direct deposit. So check or ACH direct deposit. How do I know which way it will come? Well, families will receive their July 15th payment by direct deposit into their bank account currently on file with the IRS. That is if you have already received electronic returns before, and if you have an account registered with the IRS, then you will most likely receive the CTC payment via direct deposit. It'll just be in your bank account on the 15th. For those of you who are not enrolled for direct deposit, who have not received electronically before from the IRS, you're probably going to receive a check. But what if I get a check and I want to have that direct deposit? Because it's a lot easier to just have it show up in your account, right? Well, to switch from receiving a paper check to direct deposit, you will need to go to the Child Tax Credit Update portal. You can find it quite easily by Googling. But there's also a tool on the irs.gov website to help you manage your payments. And I want you to be careful to make sure you do go to the correct site. I also want to make note, don't ever give out any of your information to anyone you don't know and trust. And still be careful giving it out then. And also verify you are on the correct website. What's that correct website? As I know it, it'll be this one. It's an irs.gov website for credits, deductions, and child tax credits update portal, okay? If the update portal shows that you are eligible to receive payments, but you're not already enrolled in the direct deposit program, well then, of course, you're going to receive a check each month. But if you want to switch to receiving your payments by direct deposit, again, having it just automatically show up in your account, then you can use the tool to add your bank or your credit union account information. Now, you're going to need to have available to you your bank or your credit union's routing number, that's a number that uniquely identifies them, and your account number, and then the direct deposit can be made either to a savings or a checking account. What if I don't have that information? Where can I get that information to actually set up this direct deposit? If you are someone who is going to be receiving these payments and you want to set up for direct deposit, you can usually get this information from your bank or your credit union's app. Click and go find it. Or by calling up their customer service or their support lines. Or you can just stop by your local bank or your credit union branch and ask for the information. Tell them what you're doing. Hey, I'm wanting to set this up. I need my account and routing number. I like to actually use the chat features that are available online and in some of the apps, when I can at least. But they may not tell you that information over chat, but they might be able to direct you to where you can find it, either online or in the app. And of course, again, just stop by your local bank or your local credit union and ask for assistance. I'm sure they'll be glad to help you. And do note that your bank or credit union, they actually have no control over you receiving these electronically. You have to go set it up for it to be delivered electronically, and once delivered, they place it into your account once they receive it. So you set it up to be delivered. Once they receive it, they put it in your account. If you are a bank or a credit union, I'd say to be prepared to help provide that information, and you will also want to be able to identify these payments. And that's something we have coming up in a future video, so you want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. For now, class dismissed.